Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. So, Shri, in today's topic, we are going to install the Tableau. Tableau is again one of the tool. It's the same like your data visualization tool, just like your Power BI. जब हमने Power BI इंस्टॉल किया था तब मैंने Tableau के बारे में बताया था जस्ट कि Tableau भी एक टाइप का टूल होता है which is being used for data visualization. Okay. In the Tableau, we will be just having few features like this. Okay, I'll just show you. Now, how to install Tableau? That's the best. Here the concern is. So I'm just showing you how to install Tableau quickly. Okay. So just give me a second. Yeah. You have to type Tableau desktop download. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Doing side by side with you.
Okay, fine. So Tableau is a Salesforce product, just like your Power BI. Power BI जो है वो Microsoft का product है, वैसे Tableau जो है, so mainly for the data visualization and this product is given by the Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce एक company है, जैसे Microsoft है वैसे, and it is being given this Tableau as a visualization tool. Okay, this tool is mainly for the visualization. It is just for a visualization. Okay, nothing else. In Power BI, there are many things we can have it. Okay. But at the same time, when we are going for a Tableau, Tableau is basically for creating a dashboard, and I will be showing you one how to basically use Tableau in on one data set. And the same time, I will be also explaining you one project, okay, which is a ready project. And I'm going to give that project to you, which you can refer it for a Tableau project. Okay. So you can try Tableau for free. Okay, it is a free version. You need to enter all this detail and you need to make certain uh, 1 second. Okay, free trial version of Tableau desktop. You just search like this actually. Tableau desktop download for a student or for a student free 15. Yeah, this website you're supposed to use. Okay, so I'm giving this website link in the chat also. You can directly copy this. You can directly click on that, so you directly go to this particular website. This is a Tableau desktop download option link. Okay, and then from there you will be creating you will be downloading the free trial version of the Tableau. Okay, once it is being downloaded, you will see the Tableau environment like this. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, now once it is being downloaded, you will be able to see the Tableau icon on your desktop. Shri, you need some time because if you are parallelly doing तो उसको time लगेगा थोड़ा सा download होने में.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm just giving you next 2 minutes, okay? Once it is being installed, let me know, Shri. Okay, then we will start together.
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Fine. So once you install your Tableau environment, you will able to see the Tableau environment or a Tableau uh, application once it is being started like this. Okay. We will first understand a sample data which is being available here itself. Okay. How we can use this sample data set and how the Tableau environment is. Okay. So today we will be just get what I say, the friendly with the acquainted with the Tableau environment. Okay. And then there are many data sets we already having when we use a Power BI. Similarly, same data set we can use it into Tableau environment also. And not only the data set which is being used by Power BI, जो हमारा SQL का डेटाबेस हमने क्रिएट किया था ना HRDBMS, हम उसके ऊपर भी वर्क कर सकते हैं. सो whichever be the data you want to work, you can start using that data within a Power BI and within a Tableau environment. Okay. Now I'm just creating a sample data set which is available as a superstore. Uh, have you done the same?
Yes, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay. I'll just tell you a very important thing here. Instead of that, I just yeah. I just want to show you the most important feature here, Shri. See, just same like the way we did for a Power BI. Similarly, I just want to focus few important feature of Tableau as well. Okay, before to getting into the Tableau hands-on. So it is speed of the analysis is like it does not require a high level programming expertise. Okay, to like any user with a basic understanding of a data, okay, and dimensions and measures of the data can easily work with the Tableau. Okay. So the Tableau is very easy for anyone without any programming knowledge. Okay. Then it blend with the diverse data sets. Okay. So what does it means that it allows that whatever work you are doing, okay, whatever be the visualization of data you are working on, okay, if you want to make it in a very different environment or a platforms or a data you want to fetch it from a different platforms and environment, that is also possible. So if you see here in this um uh, in this environment, that there is a possibility that you can directly get connected with the Google Cloud. Okay, you can directly get connected with the even SharePoints. Okay, like in SAP, okay, then Amazon environment, AWS environment. So these are all the cloud environment, okay. So it is not only the data which can be import with the PDF file or a JSON file or a Microsoft Access file or a CSV file like the way we did for a Power BI. Here there is more advanced features we can have it. But only the thing is, this is for a paid version. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Shri. Okay. So I was telling about that this
Excuse
is,
me, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, I'm installing it, but it may be maybe my sometimes when we install something, the whole computer will be switched off and later it will be shut down. Let it will be switch on.
नहीं नहीं, वो कुछ नहीं होगा. आपको बस यस क्लिक करना है. उसके ऊपर पूछा होगा उसने कि वेदर दिस एप्लीकेशन यू आर परमिसिबल टू अलाउ योर सिस्टम चेंजेस.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो यस कर दो आप. कुछ नहीं
Okay,
होगा.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
रिस्टार्ट नहीं होगा. मुझे नहीं लगता है रिस्टार्ट होगा.
Okay, okay.
आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम. It's done.
Almost, ma'am, almost.
Okay. Yeah. So what I am telling about that it gives you the environment support in a runtime, or we can say the real-time collaboration. Okay. So Tableau can filter, sort, discuss data on a fly and embed it with the live dashboards. Okay. So जो real-time applications है वहां से अगर डेटा किसी पर्टिकुलर क्लाउड एनवायरनमेंट में जा रहा है और टैबलो आप डायरेक्टली उस क्लाउड एनवायरनमेंट से इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद दैट एंड यू कैन शो द लाइव डैशबोर्ड्स एंड लाइव स्टेटस अबाउट योर डेटा. ओके, so this kind of features easily possible in the Tableau. Okay, we are having web data connectors. Okay, so अगर like web scratching और अगर website का real time data if you want to analyze, so all such kind of features we can have it in the Tableau. So these are the major thing we can have it the way we do in the Power BI desktop. Similarly, we will be using same thing in the टैबलो डेस्कटॉप, क्योंकि पावर बीआई डेस्कटॉप और टैबलो डेस्कटॉप ये दोनों ही जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स है डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन के, दैट इज द फ्री वर्जन, और वी कैन से फॉर अ स्टूडेंट वर्जन दे आर. ओके, यू कैन यूज इट, you can explore it, and you can start working to understand visualization techniques in the data analytics. It is meant for that. ओके, बट टॉप ऑफ इट जैसे जो इंडस्ट्री में यूज होने वाली चीजें हैं इन द रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स, so they are at the little bit into the more featured functionalities और more जो features है Power BI के या Tableau के, उनके लिए we are having in the case of Power BI we are having Power BI services. Similarly here we also having the Tableau services, Tableau cloud. So many different things we are having in the Tableau as well. Okay, but when we are talking about more features, so obviously they will be not a free trial version. Under the free trial version, that for that we need to purchase the actual Tableau with the copyrighted with the keys. We had to access it through the Tableau dashboards or a Tableau cloud. Okay,
Yes,
uh, is it clear now?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
what is a spatial file?
which one?
Spatial file when you were saying
Oh,
I'm seeing
spatial.
mine.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
spatial file is a basically spatial file which consisting of spatial images. uh, स्पेशल इमेजेस जैसे मैप्स होते हैं ना. ओके,
Okay.
ओके, सो मैप्स एंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स रिलेटेड इमेजेस, सो दे आर द स्पेशल इमेजेस एक्चुअली, एंड वो इमेजेस को कंटेन करने वाली फाइल वी कॉल एज द स्पेशल फाइल.
Okay.
सी, इमेजेस फाइल आप कैसे यूज कर ट्रीट करते हो, जैसे जेपीजी है या पीएनजी फाइल्स है, दोज आर द इमेज फाइल्स, राइट? पर वो इमेज हुआ. ओके, दैट्स अ इंडिविजुअल इमेज आइडेंटिटी. स्पेशल फाइल्स मीन्स व्हाट आई मीन टू से, जहाँ पे लाइक वी विल बी हैविंग geospatial images, map information, okay, then coordinate informations. Okay, जैसे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल मैं आपको बता दूं, जैसे स्पेस से जो भी इमेजेस कैप्चर होती है अर्थ की या किसी पर्टिकुलर जोन की, तो उसका जो फॉर्मेट होता है ना, दैट फॉर्मेट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्पेशल इमेजेस.
Okay.
ओके, और फिर उसको एनालिसिस करना है, सो दैट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टैबलू. सो स्पेशल इज अ काइंड ऑफ file where those kind of information we can store. So map, Okay, map के images, map related information, coordinates. Okay, so all that collection we can store into the spatial files, and that can be easily uploaded into the Tableau environment. यहाँ पे latitude, longitude, coordinates, angle, some maps, map information, axis, ये सारे जो values है, that can be possible in the spatial file. I hope spatial file is clear to you now.
Yes, ma'am, because this is the one which I have find out different than Power BI. That's why I've asked.
Exactly. So that is analyzed in the Tableau, which is not analyzed in the Power BI.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, going forward with the existing data. So we are working with the sample data set of the Tableau. Okay. So we are working with the Superstore right now. It's a sample data set. So I hope in your environment also you are able to see the sample data set Superstore,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we already spoke about the features of the basically Tableau. Then we set up the environment. Okay, so you already ready with the same environment, and the way you are able to see on my screen, the same thing is there with your screen, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm doing side by side with you, so I just sometimes I get my mouth shut.
Okay, okay, no problem. See, there are three steps majorly involved whenever we are using Power BI. Sorry, Tableau. Okay, I'm so sorry. I continuously say Power BI, but it's not Power BI. It's a Tableau. Just allow me for 1 minute. I'm just giving you two things here. That's very important because few points we need to be very carefully follow while using Tableau. Where is our folders? Brilliant is one, Value is another one. Yeah. We will be creating a Tableau folder here. So what are the three things important or first three steps we had to taken when we are using when we start using a Tableau? Okay. So like whenever like we are starting using a Tableau and making comfortable with the Tableau environment, and Tableau is basically for analysis, okay, data analysis reports, okay. So what things are important, like one is connect to a data source. Okay. So it connect to the data source means like what we are talking here. We are connecting the, it involves the locating the data. Okay. It can be of your data. Okay, like your JSON file, it can be your data, like any Excel file or CSV file or a spatial file or any different other kind of files. Okay, so it can be your database as well. Okay, so that is the first step you have to consider. The second thing is you need to choose dimensions. Okay, we already talk about dimensions many time when we had discussed statistics and the data analysis. Okay, like we always come with the dimensions and the measures, right? We talk about cases and then the dimensions and then the measures of the dimensions. So this involves the selecting the required column from the source data which you want to analyze. Okay, let's say if there is a student data set. Okay, so in the student data set, you will not analyze their names or addresses. Obviously, you will be analyzing the scores, right? Their attendance. Okay, so it is very important before to going for report generation or analyzing the data, you should very clear about dimensions and the measure, like on which you will be doing analysis. Is this clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's say in the case of our data set also, like here in the case of the ready-made data set which we are using right now, Superstore. So in the Superstore, we will be analyzing dimensions, like we will be analyzing locations. Location can be dimension. In the product, so there can be a product category, subcategory, or even the manufacturer can be a dimension. Okay, even in the case of yeah, in the case of cells can be a one of the dimensions we can have it. Okay, and in the people we will not take a regional manager. Okay, we will take regional manager with a certain uh, it's not a dimension, it will be a one parameter we can consider. Under that we can filter out the things. Okay, we can filter the things according to other basically columns, but when it comes to dimensions and the measures, that we need to be very carefully select we need to select very carefully before start with analyzing the data set. Okay, so that is a choosing the dimensions and the measures. Okay, so it involves selecting the required column from the source data for the further analysis. Okay, and the third thing is applying the visualization techniques. Okay, so that's a third step. Okay, so whatever be the techniques we will be applying, so that we are talking. So visualization techniques can be your pie chart, it can be your graph, or it can be your different kinds of basically graphs. Okay, so like here we are having histogram. So like every chart is coming with a certain kind of dimensions. Okay, so minimum one major one dimension is needed, or a maps. Okay, so this is a geo maps are there, this is a pie chart are there. So different charts are there, and there also it is being mentioned that how many dimensions and how many measures are needed to go forward for such kind of graphs. Okay, or such kind of visualization. So that the tool itself also helping us, but at the same time we should also very careful as a data analyst that what dimensions I want to consider, what measure I want to consider from my data set to analyze my data. Okay, is this clear to know you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm just showing you how to start with the data analysis or visualization in the Tableau environment. Okay, so I hope you also having the same thing in your screen. Okay, there are the majorly three tables we are having here. What are the three major table we are having? There are order table. Okay, okay, and how we will be taking considering this, let's talk about that. Okay, now we will be having the very first thing we will be considering here, let's say from the product I'll be considering category, so I'll be setting a category here. How I selected? Just drag and drop, simple, it's very easy. Okay, so you just drag your column, just a field actually. This is a dimension I'm selecting. Okay, so this is a dimension I'm now selecting. Okay, so when I'm selecting a dimension, obviously it goes into the column, because column is nothing, it's your dimension. Okay, then in the rows what I want is, okay, in the rows another thing I want is category and with the region. Okay, so now I got a category. Okay, product category, furniture, office, and maybe the technology. And region I got central, east, south, west. Okay, so these are the region already exist in this data. Okay, now the further major I want to make it into this area. Okay, so I will be measuring cell. Okay, so cell will be the text. So I'll be just selecting the text here. I'll just selecting to the text here. Are you clear with that? So automatically the values are being filled here. Now, how many dimensions I had taken? Two dimensions I had considered,
Two dimensions.
and yeah, and one major, that is a cell. Okay. If I'll be taking a screenshot of this and I'll just put in here. Okay. The first Tableau data visualization. Okay. So what are the steps we are talking here? I'm just showing you the region I had taken. Okay. Then I had taken category and the cells become my major here. Is it clear now? So this is
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
yeah. So first step, see, try to understand what I actually did. Uh, Look at this. The first step क्या किया? I just connect the data source. Okay, so already मैंने sample data source ही लिया है, right? So we are working on a sample data source that is a supermarket, right? तो ये मेरा sample data sourced already है. Okay, so I had not sourced. और अगर मुझे सोर्स करना भी पड़ता तो आपको पता है जैसे हमने पावर बीआई में सोर्सिंग किया है सेम वैसे ही वी आर गोइंग टू डू द सेम अप्रोच विद द सोर्सिंग द डेटा सेट मतलब उसके लिए कुछ अलग करना नहीं पड़ेगा. You have to just click on the source data and you just locate it from your local environment. Is it clear to you now, Shri?
Ma'am, where you have located cells, it is on the category.
No, it is in the marks. Try to understand. Marks means your basically this is the area. Whether you want to measure it with the color, whether you want to measure it with the size, whether you want to measure it with the text, or certain details in the drill down approach. We will talk about that as well. So ये जो part है मेरा, okay, I can discount wise में देख सकती हूँ, profit wise I can. So this is a measurement actually. This is a
Okay.
measurement. These are the dimensions. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
डायमेंशंस मीन्स क्या? अलग अलग एंगल. आपका जो भी डेटा है उसके अलग अलग एंगल्स क्या है. ओके. और मेजरमेंट क्या हो सकता है? मेजरमेंट जिसके ऊपर आपकी वैल्यूज रहेंगे मतलब आपके पास उसका कुछ वैल्यू रहेगा सेल्स का कुछ वैल्यू रहेगा मतलब फर्नीचर एक एंगल है. ओके, एक डायमेंशन हुआ. उस फर्नीचर में ईस्ट जोन में कुछ अमाउंट का सेल हुआ है, सेंट्रल जोन में कुछ हुआ है. जोन ले लो आप, रीजन मतलब जो रीजन की बात कर रहे हैं. आप कंट्री वाइज भी ले सकते हो, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. आप लोकेशन वाइज भी ले सकते हो कि अगर जैसे मान लो कंट्री है तो इंडिया में कितना फर्नीचर का सेल हुआ है, चाइना में कितना हुआ है, यूके में कितना हुआ है, यूएस में कितना हुआ है. लाइक दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? अब यहाँ पे मुद्दा ये आता है कि लाइक व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू एनालाइज, दैट इज बीइंग डिसाइडेड this dimensions as well as the measures.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just take I'll just give you one data set actually. uh, ये एक डेटा सेट में शेयर कर रही हूँ, व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर रही हूँ. एक सेकेंड ना. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग वन डेटा सेट इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस डेटा सेट? That this data set is a student data set, okay? And this gives you complete idea like how the things happen, okay? I will explain that data set as well. अब अगर आप वो data set में देखोगे तो there is a student name, okay? There are 3 subject marks and there are the total percentage, okay? अब आप उसमें क्या लोगे dimensions? Can you just tell me what are the dimensions you will be consider in that data set? In WhatsApp group, I had just shared a one data set file. Am I audible, Shri?
Yes, ma'am. I'm opening that, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, perfectly fine. I'm also sharing the same file here. Now try to understand what are the basically these are the 3 columns which are basically for out of 100 marks, okay, respective maths, physics, and chemistry, and this is the respective percentage. So what will be my dimension here? I will be considering maths marks, physics marks, and chemistry marks. They are my dimensions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these will be my dimensions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And I will be considering name also one dimension. Okay.
Yes,
Name
ma'am.
also one dimension I will be considering, and the percentage will be considered as a measurement. Measure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. एंड देन आई विल बी एनालाइजिंग कि फिजिक्स में कितने बच्चों को, मतलब कितने स्टूडेंट्स को अबाव 80% आए, केमिस्ट्री में कितने बच्चों को 90% अबाव आए, और मैथ्स में हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स गेट फेल्ड, वट एवर बी द एनालिसिस, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ एग्जाम्पल. ओके, सो
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ एनालिसिस आई कैन डू इट. ओके.
Ma'am, there is no necessity of ID here.
No necessity of ID. See, ID, why we are going to take when I want to going for a data cleaning. अगर मान लो यहाँ पे इसी इसमें अगर मैंने यहाँ पे एक और डेटा लिया है और
Mm.
आई वांट टू जस्ट कॉपी इट, और अब मुझे यहाँ पे चेक करना है कि मेरे डेटा में कोई रिडंडेंसी तो नहीं है, डुप्लीकेसी तो नहीं है, तो मैं डायरेक्टली कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग के रूल्स लगा के चेक कर लूंगी ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I can just check it, duplicate value. I can just make it a mark on it, and I can, one second, I just not selected anything. अभी जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे ये सिलेक्ट कर लिया कॉलम. वन सेकेंड. अब मैं इस कॉलम पे चेक कर रही हूँ कि कहीं डुप्लीकेट तो नहीं आ गया है. ओके, सो
Yes,
आई
ma'am.
विल बी जस्ट चेकिंग विद द डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू. सो आई गॉट इट कि यहाँ पे ये दो डुप्लीकेट आ गए हैं. ओके, आई जस्ट मेड इट राइट नाउ. हाँ श्रिया,
Yes, ma'am.
श्री. सो
Yes, ma'am.
आई जस्ट मेड इट इंटेंशनली टू शो यू. सो ये मेरा डेटा क्लीनिंग होगा. दिस इज अ डेटा क्लीनिंग. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once this data, the data which I am already having, that is a clean data. That is a clean data. So I will be just considering this is a clean data I am having right now.
Yes, ma'am.
The pure data set which I had given you. So there is no duplicate value in this. Okay. If you want to check, you definitely see. If you are going forward for a data analysis, I personally recommend that whichever be the data set I am giving you, okay, the process will be always like that only. You need to check duplicate value. You need to check any null value or any value which is not relevant. जैसे कि एक example मैं बताती हूँ कि like in the marks you never be see any alphabet, okay, because marks are always a numeric value, right? So
Yes,
that has to be checked by you as a data analyst. Okay, that is a data cleaning only, right? And once the data is ready, then you are going forward for analysis.
yes, ma'am.
So analysis, you can have it here itself, like of sorting, custom sorting, filtering. You can find out the range. You can find out the number of students who are in the top 5, top 10, whatever be the analysis, you can have it on here in the facts and figure. Okay. But now the same thing, you want to show it into the form of dashboard. Let's say you want to show it for individual subject. You want to show it dynamic dashboards on the individual subject or a student wise, how is behave, how is basically good in the chemistry, or how is good into the maths, or how is poor in some another subject. So that way you need to use a Tableau dashboards or Power BI dashboards. That's a visualization. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now here that is a small assignment I had given you. Okay, that data set you can use it again in the Tableau environment. Now this is a Tableau environment which we are using, and we are now going forward for the next step. What is the next step we supposed to do? Okay, यहाँ पे the first step is done. Okay, we already done with this step. We also select the dimensions and the measures, right? So what measures we had selected? So we had selected region, right? And category as a dimensions. Okay, and what the other things we had selected? Measure, we had selected the cells as a measure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, what we supposed to do? We will be next thing we supposed to do. These are the steps, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you clear with the steps what we are following now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will be applying the visualization technique. Simple. Now there is a visualization options available. So I will be just converting into the visualization way. Okay. So if you want to just check it into this manner, like in the furniture, suppose the category is a furniture, and in the central zone, what is exactly the highest basically sales value. So you can just see it by just putting your pointer on that particular region and the central location. You want to check it on the south location. You want to check it in the office supplies into the south location. So this way you can easily draw such kind of different kind of visualizations. You can apply this visualization graphs, or we can say the visualization techniques on the data which is being analyzed or which is being selected. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, you can also highlight in this manner as well, okay? Or you want to just make it into the simple manner, that is also being like this. You can show it in the form of simple sheets, okay? So this is a kind of analysis we can have it into the Tableau, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can also select the segment. Suppose I just want to select a segment like say blue color or dark blue color. So I can just have a segment here, and the segment wise I can just make the color combination on this manner. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are all the how you will present your data. That kind of technique it is, okay? It is completely based on like how you will be working on the data. And now in that individual also you can make a descending or ascending, or you can just order the data in the alphabetical manner or a manual manner. So this all things you can have it with this what I say, these measures as well. Okay, so these are the measures you can apply. Okay, it's not only this, I'll just show you. Yeah. So now you will be having this is a one segment category. Okay. This is for the cells in the central region. This is for again central region consumer wise segment. And this is again segment consumer wise for the cells with a certain segment. Matlab, like for 55 up to like up to 1 lakh tak, it's in the little dark color. And then above 1 lakh it will goes into the some different color. So such kind of things you can just uh, you can showcase to your team, or you can showcase a particular analysis to your management. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
how the product is performing, how the sales are happening, how the region wise sales are happening, how the product wise, category wise, all you can have it in this manner. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, yeah. There are so many features actually. Yeah. Now we can navigate actually. We can navigate using navigations. Okay. So we are having Tableau navigations. So there are menu commands we will be talking about quickly. Okay. Okay. And yeah. So, yeah. So what I'm telling here, like when you are started closing any this window, okay, so your main interface will interface with all available menu commands. They again start representing, okay, showing you. Like in the simple, if suppose you start a new worksheet, okay, so you will able to see the new worksheet with the again a blank, basically the way we had seen earlier, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is a blank worksheet. Okay, so this is a complete menu, basically commands we are having. Okay, now what menu commands we will be using here? So there are the file menu. Okay, if you just want, I can show it here also. So there is a file menu. So in the file menu, what we are having? So file menu is mainly used for creation, saving. Okay, save your work in the local system, or exporting any particular this report into your PowerPoint, or maybe you want to show it into through PowerPoint. So that all feature is possible in the file menu option. Okay. Then there is another menu we are having is a data menu. I'm just explaining you one by one. So if you want to a new data source, okay. So right now we are having a sample data source, okay. And if you just want to view the data also, okay. If you want to extract the sample superstore data in your Excel sheet also, you can export it into the CSV file also. So whatever you want, you can export that data set also, Shri. ओके, इट्स नॉट कंपलसरी कि आप सिर्फ इसी एनवायरनमेंट में ये डेटा सेट को देखना है। आपको अगर चाहिए आप उसको एक्सेल में एक्सपोर्ट करके भी चेक कर सकते हो कि कैसा क्या वैल्यूज है उसमें।
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
you can just analyze that also. So that can be possible in the data option. Okay, either you can connect with a new data source as well from the data option. Then we are having worksheet. Okay, so we can create many worksheet in a one report. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is one worksheet you created. अभी यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है? We just taken a region and then product. Okay, means like I meant to say category and the cells. Okay, next आप worksheet में region and then regional manager and the cells. You can have that also. So different worksheets you can add it into one under one report. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? Then a dashboard. Then you can create a dashboard. So that there I will be explaining a dashboard separately. Okay, because in the dashboard you can add more and more at a time. So many things you can add it into the dashboard. So that actually we will be doing it practically. But how you can add a dashboard into the Tableau? So using a dashboard option, you can have the डैशबोर्ड। एंड यहाँ पे फिर जितने भी शीट्स आपने क्रिएट करेंगे, अभी जैसे वर्क एक ही शीट है ना यहाँ पे,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, तो जैसे 10 मैंने बनाई, रीजन वाइज बना ली, रीजनल मैनेजर वाइज बना ली, प्रोडक्ट वाइज बना ली, डेट वाइज बना ली, ऑर्डर डेट वाइज बना ली, शिपमेंट डेट वाइज बना ली, सो मेनी शीट्स आई हैड एनालाइज एंड आई विल बी जस्ट putting here by dragging and dropping, and then again top of it I will be applying some visualization features from it. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this sheet I am able to see in the dashboard right now क्योंकि एक ही sheet बनाया है right now. But further I will be creating few sheets, many sheets I can create it. Okay, and then I will be putting all together in one dashboard to make a dynamic dashboard. Is it clear to you now?
Ma'am.
Okay, are you clear with that?
Yes, ma'am. In one dashboard, we may have so many sheets
Exactly.
or file, or like that, we could make also new dashboards.
Yes.
For example, for example, if I'm getting a file of two different categories, or two different type of, or two different companies, so I can make that dashboard of uh, file number one, then for the dashboard for like for file number two, and in such particular dashboards, I may have different sheets of different analysis point or
नहीं, उसमें दो कंपनी का नहीं आएगा श्री। सी इट्स वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक। वॉट एवर विद द डेटा सेट यू आर वर्किंग विद राइट नाउ, यू आर हैविंग अ सुपर स्टोर डेटा, राइट? अब सुपर स्टोर डेटा आपने चार सेंट्रल ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट के एनालिसिस किया है अभी। ओके, अब यही यही शीट की बात करो। अभी अगर मुझे सिर्फ वेस्ट वेस्ट जोन पे ही वर्क करना है, ओके, आई फाउंड दैट वेस्ट जोन इज परफॉर्मिंग वेल, लेट्स से, ओके, तो मैं एक और सेग्रीगेटेड शीट बनाऊंगी जो सिर्फ डेडिकेटेडली वेस्ट जोन पे पूरा एनालिसिस करके रखा रहेगा।
Okay, okay.
ओके, सपोज ईस्ट इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल और साउथ इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल, तो आप उसको पूरा एनालिसिस करके यू कैन शो टू योर मैनेजमेंट की दैट साउथ इज having such kind of cells and such kind of basically performance, तो वो उसके ऊपर कुछ मेजर्स ले सकते हैं, दे कैन टेक अ सर्टेन डिसीजन बेसिस ऑन दैट। ओके, तो ऐसे अलग अलग शीट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे आपको। इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ?
So for like one, you want to say just make a one sheet, then further we could divide that according to job
एग्जैक्टली,
or
यस,
according to.
यस, यस।
Okay.
ओके, तो उसको ड्रिल डाउन अप्रोच कहते हैं, एंड दैट ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस। ओके, मैं आज आपको सिर्फ लाइक हाउ टू यूज अ टैब्लो एंड सिंपल केस स्टडी वी आर टॉकिंग राइट नाउ, बट दीज आर ऑल द मेन्यूज अवेलेबल एंड वी विल बी गोइंग टू यूज वन मेन्यू एटलीस्ट फॉर कंप्लीटिंग एटलीस्ट वन डेटा सेट complete in and out thing. Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we will be creating a new story. Okay, so what do you mean by story actually? like whatever be the related information we are analyzing, which we want to communicate, okay, through the graphs and charts, that has to be written in certain story format, or I mean to say that has to be feature out, right? What are the information to that related data? So that format, okay, like we are having set the layouts in the terms of color and section. So like your blue color is a depiction of this, or a orange color is depiction of this. Running the updates, okay, so there is run the update of also option, where the updates the story with the latest data from current sources, okay. So normally stock या जो लाइव डेटा होते हैं, उनके लिए ये सारी चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, रन अपडेट्स, ओके। सपोज यू वांट टू एक्सपोर्ट सर्टेन इमेज ऑल्सो, so optioning the like you want to export certain image, so that also you can export from the story menu. Are you clear with that now? Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we are having analysis. Okay, so this is the menu is used for analyzing the data present in the sheet. Okay, so Tableau provides many out basically very different features. Okay, such as calculating the percentage, performing of the forecast. Okay, how here the forecast is there, right? So okay, so like shows a forecast based on available data. Okay, then it is a percentage, like it also shows you the percentage or trending lines. Okay, so if you draw lines, so trending lines will show you how shows a trend line for a series of data. Suppose there is a series of data you will be considering, or you can also calculate the field option. So calculate the field option is mainly for creating an additional field based on certain calculation and existing field. So here at the runtime in the visualization, you can create your additional field, you can show the trending lines, okay, you can show the percentage, you can forecast the things. All such kind of things is possible in the analysis menu. Okay, are you clear with this?
Ma'am, what is the cycle field?
Where it is?
Ma'am, it is just up the highest, ma'am.
ओ साइकिल फील्ड इज बेसिकली किस तरीके का साइकिल है, मतलब एक सर्टन, अब ये यहाँ पे देखो इन्होंने साइकिल फील्ड को कन्वर्ट किया. दिस इज अ वन वे इट्स गोइंग, अगेन इट इज अ अपवर्ड इज गोइंग, एंड अगेन इट इज अपवर्ड इज गोइंग. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ साइकिल वी कैन हैव इट.
Okay.
Okay, so we are analyzing it through the different trending lines. Okay, even the show trending lines also. Okay, one second. We need to add few features for the trending lines, because the date feature is expected for the trending lines. Okay, then spatial values. Okay, table layout. No, I don't want this. Okay, highlight the category. If I just want to highlight the category or a region or a segment, so I can do all these things with the help of analysis option. Is it clear what the menu it is? For
Yes,
what
ma'am.
purpose? Then
Yes.
we are having map menu. Okay, suppose you want to add map. Okay, so you can show the map. Okay, you can layer the map. You can show the street names, country borders, or any information related to that location. You can have it. Okay, geocoding means coordinate. You can show it. Okay, so all that thing you can show it. ओके, अब यहाँ पे हमने रीजन लिया हुआ है. अगर हमने वही कंट्री लिया रहता ना, तो कंट्री में आता है ये सब चीजें. तो अगेन इट डिपेंड्स, सी व्हाट डायमेंशंस यू आर कंसिडरिंग. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
आपका पहला ही जो स्टेप है, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट व्हाट डायमेंशंस एंड व्हाट मेजर्स यू विल बी कंसिडरिंग, एंड बेसिस ऑफ दैट फिर आप आगे के फीचर्स अलग अलग ऐड कर सकते हो उसमें. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
देन फॉर्मेट इज
And
बेसिकली
when we
फॉर.
take spatial, when we will take spatial file only, then we will have use of geo.
नहीं हाँ, मतलब जियो स्पेशल और ये सब के लिए कैसा है कि आपके पास जो भी फाइल रहेगा, जैसे कंट्री है, ओके, या स्टेट प्रोविंस है, तो हर एक का एक कोऑर्डिनेट होता है. अब वो उसके लिए आपके पास वो डेटा होना जरूरी है, तो ही आप प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
राइट, कि एक लेट्स से एग्जांपल, इफ यू आर लोकेटिंग नोएडा, ओके, ऑन योर चार्ट, सो नोएडा का एग्जैक्ट कोऑर्डिनेट पता होना चाहिए, दैट हैज टू बी गिवन टू through your data set only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there are few data sets. I am going to share that as well. Okay, maybe in the next class, I will be sharing those data set for a practice purpose. In that data set, you will find that all the coordinates, all the province locations are being already there in that. So you can easily have those kind of things in your dashboards. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ना फॉर्मेट मतलब वो कैसे दिखेगा, किस तरीके से दिखना चाहिए, उसका फॉन्ट, अलाइनमेंट, शेप, बॉर्डर्स, जो फॉर्मेट हम नॉर्मल वर्ड फाइल में या हमारे किसी भी नॉर्मल इसमें जो यूज करते हैं ना फॉर्मेट फीचर, कि
Yes,
फॉन्ट साइज कैसा होना चाहिए, सेल साइज कितना होना चाहिए, थीम क्या होनी चाहिए, सो ऑल दैट थिंग विल कवर अंडर द फॉर्मेट मेनू. ओके.
yes, ma'am.
Then servers. Okay, so again, if you want to publish your reports on certain servers, so you will be log into the Tableau server. Okay, you can either use a Tableau server connectivity, or either you can have any location of your server. You can connect with that, and you can publish your report over there to get the access to by other users. Okay, suppose your regional manager or your marketing head is sitting in some another location. Let's say he is sitting in say China. Okay, so he is going to access that report from that server. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will be doing your work, you will be preparing your dashboards, you will be reporting it, and then you will be uploading, you are publishing to the Tableau server, and that Tableau server is accessed by your head. Okay, so they can get the access of the reports immediately. Is this clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the way, this is kind of platform or environment is being provided here. Okay, and lastly, we are having window. So, window is basically कैसा लुक दिखेगा, हाउ द टूल बार विल बी देयर, कहाँ पे टूल बार होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे ये शो में दिख रहा है, ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स शुड बी अपीयर. सो हाउ द विंडो विल लुक, दैट इज नथिंग इज योर विंडो. Okay, how the presentation mode will be. So this is what is the complete environment, okay, or an interface of Tableau. This is one small data set on which we had talked about it. There is one another actually project, complete project I am already having. Okay. And if you just see here, okay. So just give me 1 second. Look at this. This is again a revenue and order quantity by month. Okay. If you want to check it for a 1 year, you will get it for only 2001. If you want to check it for only 2002, so automatically the filters are being applied. Okay. And you are able to see the order dates and respective basically quantity. And with respect to the graphs, you will able to see. Are you understanding this?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the data is mainly for the, this project is mainly for the adventure sports प्रोडक्ट सेल. ओके, मतलब जो एडवेंचर में यूज होने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं
Mhm.
एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स में, जैसे
Mhm.
हेलमेट है, राइट, नी
Yes.
कैप्स है, राइट, ग्लोव्स है, सो मेनी थिंग्स. मतलब एक एग्जांपल बता रही हूँ, ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनके. ओके, और वो उन्होंने सेल, वो दे आर सेलिंग दोज प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड दे आर सेलिंग अराउंड द ऑल द प्रोविंसेस and their products. Okay, so if you see here, there different product categories are there, and that categories products are there, unka size, style, weight, measure, all the parameters they had considered. Okay, so it's a very big data set on which these reports are being created. Uh, this is a complete project. I'm going to give this project completely to you. Okay,
Okay.
so this is being developed into the Tableau. Okay, so this is the offline and online projects. Sorry, orders. This is a product analysis sheet wise. Okay, if you want to change this appearance, you can either select the different graphs and basically locations also. The global analysis. Okay, then this is uh, the analysis which is basically tooltip analysis. Okay, so top 5 products का performance कैसा है, how the total revenue responsible by the 5 top products. So that is being given by this kind of dashboards. Okay, so this is how the basically sheets you can create. Look at this. These are the sheets we created. Are you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, जैसे एक्सेल में बनते हैं वैसे ही डेटा शीट्स बने हुए यहाँ पे.
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
and we can merge it in the dashboard. So once you create a dashboard, तो ये सारे sheets वहां पे दिखाई देते हैं. Okay, and at the same time you can apply the filters on it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is how the Tableau works, okay? And I had given you two things today. One is a Tableau ka sample data set, which is a superstore already. It is there with you when you install a Tableau. And the another one is already being given in your WhatsApp group. That is for a student data set. Now, what is main and basically requirement here is you now understand how to use Tableau, because ये इसलिए आपको easy भी लगेगा क्योंकि Power BI already हो चुका है हमारा, right? It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
somehow same like a Power BI, right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको करना ये है कि दोनों डेटा सेट पे यू शुड स्टार्ट यूजिंग ऑल द टूल्स विच वी डिस्कस जस्ट नाउ. ओके, और जो जितने भी मेनू हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, आप वन बाय वन सारी चीजें फीचर्स उसके ऊपर अप्लाई करके उसको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करो. ओके, सो दैट यू विल ऑल्सो कम टू नो कि व्हाट आर द फीचर्स वेयर दे आर लोकेटेड इन द टैब्लू. Okay, point number one. Understanding the dimensions and measure is one of the most important thing for any data analyst. Okay, सो आप कोई भी, अब जैसे ये दो डेटा सेट तो आपको दिए हुए हैं, बट बिफोर टू दैट देयर आर मेनी डेटा सेट्स ऑलरेडी बीइंग शेयर्ड, राइट? आपको याद होगा फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल, कंट्री
Yes,
वाइज सेल,
yes, ma'am.
जिसको यूज करके हमने पाइवोट टेबल एंड पाइवोट चार्ट्स करे थे,
Yes,
राइट?
yes, ma'am.
So that data set is also you can use into the Tableau for visualization purpose. So that also you can practice. Okay. Tomorrow we will have one last session on the Tableau where I will be explaining more sheets to be combined on a dashboard, and few more features of the Tableau like design flow, drill down up tools are there. So that we will be discussing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And there are how we can record all the sheets. Okay.
Okay.
This is all we are going to apply on the Tableau dashboards. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. We'll stop here today and we'll connect tomorrow and we'll discuss the further topics in the Tableau.
Ma'am, please share status notes and files.
Statistics. Okay, okay, okay. I'll do that. Yeah,
And of the Python, ma'am, last class, two classes of Python too, ma'am.
chalega. I'll share that also.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.